Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how much protein and calories I eat on a low protein diet. So make sure you stick around. I'm going to show you what I eat in a day, and at the end of the video it's going to have the macro breakdown in detail. So on this day, I started out my first meal at 1 p.m. with a smoothie, which is very typical. I generally fast throughout the morning. I do a fasted workout at around 11 a.m. and then break my fast at 1 p.m. And I just drink water throughout the morning, don't have any food or any calories. In this smoothie, I had 1 cup of blueberries, I had a packet of acai, I had about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I had 5 frozen ripe bananas that I freeze with the peel on, then I thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes. They come right out, and I really like the texture, so that's why I do it that way. I had 1 cup of coconut water and 1 cup of almond milk, and that was what was in the smoothie. Blended it up in my Vitamix, and it generally makes about 1 liter to 1.5 liters. Super delicious. Next up at about 4:30, I had watermelon, and I weighed everything out, measured it out, so it was about 932 grams, which is about a couple pounds. And watermelon is my favorite food of all time, especially when I get really good ones like this. They're super delicious right now. Hydrating, refreshing, lots of health benefits, so I recommend watermelon for sure. And there it is, nice big bowl. Next up at 5:30 p.m. I made a salad. Again, measured everything out. It had a bunch of mixed greens. It had cucumber, apple, avocado, carrots, and tomato, and I put a little lime juice, and I didn't use any dressing. I often don't use dressing. I'll just kind of mush everything together, and with avocado, maybe a little bit of lime or lemon juice, that's all I need. It's really delicious that way, and no need to have any dressing. I'm a little lazy about making dressing, and I don't really like too many store-bought dressings, so usually the only time I'll have dressing is if I go to a restaurant. Then I finished it off at 7 p.m. with some Thai curry vegetable soup. It has rice noodles underneath. It has sweet potatoes in it, some different vegetables, hot sauce. I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's bread to go with that. And that was it for the day. So here are the totals. It was 2,824 calories, 414 grams of net carbs, 71 grams of fiber, 94 grams of fat, and 54 grams of protein. Now remember, this is just what I had for this one day. Things can vary here and there a little bit, so I'm generally getting between 40 and 70 grams of protein a day, depending on how heavy I go on the protein. My calories are usually around 3,000, could be a little more, up to 3,500, depending on how active I am. And that was it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the videos. I have some delicious recipes I eat regularly. Subscribe for more. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll be back soon with another video. Talk to you soon. Bye.